This CDAMS tutorial will focus on the importing of typical data volumes, the CDAMS Commonality report, and the CDAMS Visualization system. We create a new case, fill in the relevant data, descriptions and references. Once the new case has been created, the CDR tab will appear on our shortcut panel to the left of the screen. Once clicked, we will begin our import of the CDRs, tens of thousands of records. As the CDRs are stored in the same folder, we can use the Batch Import button and begin the process. This process auto-maps all the different CDRs into a single formatted merged CDR that will form the basis of our forthcoming analysis. This innovative CDAMS software import process is ingesting over 300,000 call data records and takes around 3.5 minutes. Any fields that fail the auto mapping will be displayed in the Messages tab with the correction function. In this import process, all the CDRs were mapped and imported without any issues. But as I show, the procedure is simply a matter of mapping fields manually and updating the specification. Reporting and analysis. The first thing to do is to double-click on the formatted CDR report. This displays our merged CDR. Then we click on 3 of the 4 commonality reports and look at what they tell us, and use that information to guide our analysis. The first report has a look at all numbers that are common to our target numbers, the numbers for which we have obtained our CDRs. In this case, we can see that 4 numbers share significantly more common numbers than the others. This is an important fact. The next report displays all SIMs that share in IMEI, and in this case, we can suspect the handset is a dual SIM from the 1-digit difference in the IMEI serials. We also see a second handset that shares the same SIM. The final commonality report we will use today shows us all numbers that share a cell tower during the time frame set by the CDR or CDAMS user. These numbers and the numbers common to the IMEI in the previous report start to build a picture. Through these reports, we can learn locations and associations related to our suspect. Next, we will focus on call data only and visualize the data using the inbuilt CDAMS visualization tool. Here, the relationships of the target numbers and handsets become much easier to see and understand. I can freely move the icons in this view to get a better understanding. I decide to pursue the number that was the most widely used in the first report and run a target summary report on that number. Once I have saved this target summary report in either format I choose, I run the visualization tool to view the common cell tower report. Here I can clearly see the relationships of the SIMs and handsets served by the common tower. This identifies all SIMs that are in the same place, and as the connections between SIMs and handsets have been shown, we can highlight possible interaction between suspects. This visualization tool allows tremendous flexibility to change how an analyst can perceive the data. As the analyst moves the main SIM, the perspective of connections and relationships change that make visualization easier and clearer. This CDAMS tutorial has been created and presented by Project Legacy to demonstrate the efficiency and effectiveness of CDAMS. This innovative CDAMS software is trusted by law enforcement internationally. You can view our previous tutorial where we demonstrate how to create a new case successfully.